Right outside Tihar, let me go across to Times Now's Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who is among the crowd of reporters waiting right outside the gates there. Madhav, what are you hearing about Anna Hazare's release soon?
Well,
Madhav.
Yes, Arnab, that is the expectation over here. You can just see the crowd is completely charged up right here at the gate. What they expect is that Anna Hazare will come out anytime now. Team members of Team Anna have been telling us privately that they expect him to come out any moment now. That is the expectation. So really the big question is, what is the compromise formula? Who has buckled down? Is it Anna Hazare or is it the government? That is the key question at this point of time. Because there was talk that finding a middle ground instead of an indefinite fast of maybe a restriction of 10 or 15 days. That was one of the talks that was going on. Whether Anna has agreed to that or whether there have been any other demands that have been fulfilled, we'll only get to know once Anna Hazare himself comes out. But really, of course, huge security deployment. We can show you the gate. In fact, a policeman right behind that with large numbers of people, security persons gathered behind over there. That is the situation at this point of time.
If Anna comes out, can he be stopped from going to JP Park? Can he physically be stopped? I mean, you cannot arrest a man who's going to be followed by tens of thousands of people.
Single file, they will go peacefully all the way from here to JP Park. There will be no stopping them. That is what they say. And they say that if then the government again wants to arrest them, they can again take their arrest. That is really what Team Anna's members have been saying this morning. So really all eyes will be on what kind of action the police will be able to take out. Because quite clearly, the big question people will ask is that before this, for the last 48 hours of police action that we've been seeing, why the government in fact chose to go for it if they have to eventually allow a rally cutting across at least 15 to 20 kilometers of the city, whereas they could have easily had it in one place. That will be one big question at this point of time. Also, of course, a larger question as to why, in fact, Anna Hazare was in fact detained, why they could not have agreed to his conditions at an earlier point of time. So several such questions that would beg answers once Anna Hazare comes out, and only once we know what exactly the compromise formula is, only then will we really know why, in fact, the government went ahead with this position. But at this point of time, certainly looks like with the numbers of people, if the camera can just show you the large numbers of people, the camera can pan and show you with the banner over here.